Hey guys, what's up? It's me, the Cubing Bear, and today we have an exciting unboxing. In here are the presents, or yeah, kind of like the presents I got for my birthday and for Christmas last year. I know it's a little bit late, but I decided to wait until this guy came in here before this guy came in, just to make sure that that way I wouldn't have to make two separate videos. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. So I'm not even kidding, I literally just got back from school, from practice, and I just saw this on my doorstep. If you follow me on Instagram, you can definitely see the video I just made. But yeah, this is really cool. I actually don't know what is in here. It's actually a pretty big box, and yeah, I really can't, I can't wait to see what's inside this beast. Can't wait to see it. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. We're gonna leave this bad boy for last, and we're gonna start off with this guy. All right, so this one came from Diego. He's my one of my friends at school, and yeah, it was kind of like his last minute gift, but it was a really nice. Wow, that came out so easily. It was a really nice gift because it is a Shangshao 5x5. Wow. This is one of the more, I don't even know how to call it, one of the more older models. Yeah, so it was really cool of him to get me this. One really funny story about this cube. This was the first puzzle beyond a 3x3 that I've ever solved, because it was actually his, and he brought it with him to school, and I kind of just solved it accidentally when he told me not to. So yeah, sorry about that, Diego, if you're watching. So yeah, this is a really nice gift. So he gave me his 5x5, and yeah, he's a really good friend, and I'm really happy I could have this for my birthday / Christmas. It was really hard for me not to open it and wait for this package to get here in the meantime. But yeah, this is what the cube looks like right now. Wow, it just looks incredible. In my opinion, the shades look really nice. Very nice shades, and yeah. It could use a little bit of working on. I'll definitely work on this a little bit more. And who knows, it might become my new main. May have to tension it a little bit. But yeah, other than that, so really good 5x5. So thanks, Diego. Now let's go ahead and go on to the main attraction. Yep, this package right here is a very big package. It's very big, and I'm assuming there's like an 8x8 or a 7x7 in here. Maybe a cubic one. I know it comes from Yuxin because this is the logo for Yuxin, and Yuxin is a very good company for speed cubes. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. So funny story about this cube, as I actually didn't know I was getting it until my parents told me that they were gonna get it. They were like, hey, we got a present for you coming on the way. So yeah, it's kind of like your late Christmas present / birthday present. So yeah, okay, here we go. This is so far what it says. Small parts not for children under 3. There's the Yuxin logo right there. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and check it out. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, this just looks really incredible. Oh my gosh, guys, look, this is a 9x9 Rubik's Cube. So I've been wanting a 9x9 since I think I first started cubing. That was like the cube that I wanted the most, and wow, this is just incredible. Look, they have a stickerless version, but I got the black one. Wow, this is just so amazing. Look how big this is, guys. Look how many layers. Wow, that's incredible. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside the box and give it a few turns. Right there. Let's go ahead and grab that out. Wow, this thing, it's actually pretty heavy, I'm gonna be honest. Nothing else in the box. Let me go ahead and organize right here for a second. All right, and here we have it right here. Wow, the the colors just look so amazing. Even all the colors look great. All the stickers, they not only feel great, but they also look really awesome too. This thing just feels like it wants to move. I'm just gonna move it into a cubic shape. And wow, take a look at that size, you guys. Look at that. That just looks really great. Look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by 9 layers. Let's go ahead and do some first turns on the cube. Wow. Oh my gosh. You guys, this thing just turns incredible. It's so finger trickable. It's amazing. Oh my god, wow. This feels so great. All the layers turn really amazing. Oh my god, it's just incredible. This thing turns so well, and it's so big. Wow, this is so awesome. Let's go ahead and give it a checkerboard pattern. And already this thing just turns so great. I just can't believe how great this thing turns, man. Here are the shades. This is just really nice looking shades right here. The green and the blue look really nice against one another. They just look fantastic, honestly. This is just massive. It's just a massive cube. I know that the stickers look pretty even and pretty big, but in real life these stickers are so much more small. I mean, let's compare it to the 5x5 I just got. You can see right here. I mean, look at that. That thing is just small. It's literally 2 layers, more than 2 layers. Yeah, a little bit more than 2 layers bigger than the 5x5. That's just crazy. This thing feels like a toy compared to this giant massive thing right here. It's just wow. Let me go ahead and take on my 7x7, my 8x8. So next to my 7x7, you can see right here that the size difference between the two is it's pretty small. It's still one big layer bigger. Let's check out the 8x8. Let's see. Ooh, the 8x8 is, the 9x9 is still bigger. If you take a look at both of them, just because this is more pillowed is because it looks more rounded, but this is a cubic shape, which means it's just so much more bigger, more better. And wow, I just can't get over how great this turning is. It's just wow, so smooth. I can tell I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with this puzzle. Now I gotta make a 9x9 tutorial video, and that's gonna be split up into different parts because I do not want to be having a 2-hour video. So yep, this is just wow. This is crazy. This is really amazing. And yeah, I'm really happy I was able to get this, and this is it for the unboxing. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a like, and if you've already done so, go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, if you want me to make a tutorial on how to solve the 9x9, I'll go ahead and I will definitely go ahead and make a tutorial on that. I'll be making a future review video on this thing, because this thing is just amazing to just hold in my hand. And yep, I will see you all in my next video. Peace out, guys.